American Federation, but we still cannot do that yet. Although we start to have some national federations, national associations in the Americas, like Venezuela. And for this, later when we have time, I would like to hear from you on how we can do this job together. Establishing the American Federation for Vietnam. Because when we can complete our organization on all the 4 continents, our access to the Olympics will be much better. But that's another discussion we should have later. Now, you have listened to the activity report, and you understand that we have a new initiative that we developed together with Guardian Girls International. And also many of you may have heard from our Vice President, Master Jim, on Bovina Digital, but you don't know how we have made progress so far. So I would like to give this floor now to Mr. Jim to talk a bit more about Guardian Girls International and about Bovina Digital. Please, Mr. Jim.